This Ninja Air Fryer Pro 5 Quart 4-in-1 is designed for people who want fast, crispy food without the mess, oil, or long prep times of traditional cooking. It focuses on one promise: delivering consistently crunchy results with minimal effort. Instead of overloading the user with unnecessary features, Ninja has refined the essentials: powerful heat, smart airflow, generous capacity, and simple controls into a compact, efficient air fryer that fits easily into everyday kitchens. From the moment it's placed on the counter, the design makes sense. The sleek gray finish looks modern without trying too hard, and the footprint is surprisingly small for a 5-quart appliance. Ninja's space-saving design allows this air fryer to handle family-sized portions without dominating your countertop. This balance between capacity and size is one of its strongest advantages, especially for apartments, smaller kitchens, or anyone who values clean, uncluttered spaces. At the core of this appliance is Air Crisp technology, which uses superheated air circulating at up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to cook food evenly and quickly. The result is a crisp exterior with a tender interior, closely mimicking deep-fried texture while using little to no oil. This makes it easier to enjoy classic comfort foods like French fries, chicken wings, and breaded snacks with significantly less fat. The difference is noticeable not just in texture, but also in how light and clean the food feels after cooking. The 5-quart capacity is practical and versatile. It comfortably fits up to 4 pounds of French fries or around 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it suitable for small families, couples, or anyone who likes to prepare multiple servings at once. Whether you're cooking dinner, prepping snacks for guests, or batch cooking for the week, the size feels just right, large enough to be useful, but not excessive. One of the biggest strengths of the Ninja Air Fryer Pro is its 4-in-1 functionality. While some appliances try to do everything and end up overcomplicated, this model keeps things focused. The 4 cooking modes, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, cover the most common needs without cluttering the interface. Each mode is clearly labeled and easy to select, making the experience approachable even for first-time air fryer users. Air fry mode is where this unit truly shines, delivering golden, evenly crisp results across a wide range of foods. Roast mode works well for vegetables and proteins, producing caramelized edges without drying out the interior. Reheat mode is a standout feature for everyday use, bringing leftovers back to life without the sogginess that microwaves often cause. Dehydrate mode adds extra value, allowing users to make fruit chips, jerky, or dried herbs at home with minimal effort. Speed is another area where the Ninja Air Fryer Pro excels. Frozen foods go from freezer to crispy in minutes, making it ideal for busy schedules and last-minute meals. There's no long preheating time like a traditional oven, which saves both time and energy. For people who cook after work or need quick solutions during the day, this speed becomes a daily convenience rather than a novelty. Cleanup is refreshingly simple. The nonstick basket and crisper plate release food easily, reducing the need for soaking or scrubbing. Most messes can be cleaned with a quick rinse, and the nonstick coating holds up well with regular use when treated properly. This ease of maintenance encourages more frequent use, which is often overlooked but essential for any kitchen appliance to earn its place. In everyday use, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro feels reliable and consistent. Temperature control is steady, cooking times are predictable, and results are repeatable. This consistency builds trust, allowing users to experiment with recipes without worrying about uneven cooking or undercooked food. The included recipe booklet and cooking charts provide helpful starting points, especially for beginners. From a health perspective, the ability to cook with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying is a major benefit. This makes it easier to maintain healthier eating habits without giving up the flavors and textures people enjoy. For households trying to reduce oil consumption while still enjoying familiar foods, this air fryer offers a practical solution. Overall, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 5 Quart 4-in-1 delivers exactly what it promises. It is fast, efficient, easy to use, and well-built. Instead of overwhelming users with complexity, it focuses on performance and everyday usability. For anyone looking to simplify cooking while still enjoying crispy, satisfying meals, this air fryer is a strong and dependable choice. Key features and benefits. Air crisp technology for even, crispy results. 400 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature for fast cooking. 5-quart capacity fits family-sized portions. For cooking functions for everyday versatility. Compact, space-saving design. Nonstick basket and crisper plate for easy cleanup. Pros and cons. Pros. Consistently crispy results with little to no oil. Fast cooking, even from frozen foods. Simple controls suitable for beginners. Compact design with generous capacity. Easy to clean non-stick components. Cons. No digital presets for specific foods. Exterior can get warm during extended use. Limited functions compared to multi-cookers. Final verdict. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro 5-quart 4-in-1 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants reliable performance without unnecessary complexity. It delivers crisp results, saves time, and fits comfortably into daily routines. If you value speed, simplicity, and healthier cooking, this air fryer earns its place on your countertop. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if this Ninja Air Fryer is right for you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.